Hey guys, what's up there? So in this video, I want to talk about the hidden part of your profile funnel. So that's what I want to talk about in this video real quick. So let me go ahead and share my screen for you guys. And I like to be honest and transparent about stuff all the time. I don't do bullshit marketing. I like to be honest and transparent. So this module is down here in the paid course. All right, you guys have paid $7. You guys have paid $7 a month to get all the different benefits I gave you, and I really appreciate that a lot. And I hope you stick with it because I'm going to be teaching you all sorts of cool stuff. But you probably watched all the free training, right? You watched all the free training, and in that free training, we went over the profile funnel. All right. So in that free training, we went over the profile funnel, and I taught you about the profile funnel and how important it is and how useful it is to you and all that good stuff. And hopefully you realize, and you'll realize as time goes on, that in that free course, I didn't tell you everything. I left out things that are really, really valuable pieces of information to stick in the paid version of the course. Now, hopefully you realize that after this 7, if you remember when you went through my actual funnel, which is part of my profile funnel, that you signed up for the free course, and then right after that free course, I was like, wait, you got a free course, but do you want to spend $7? And you were like, yeah, I do. And then right after you spent that $7, I was like, hey, what about $3,000? Would you like to spend $3,000? And you probably said no, which is why you only have access to this part of the course, and you don't have access to the rest of the course. All right, so hopefully you understand there's even another level of paid course above the level that this video's in right now. And just like all the content in this part, I'm going to give you some valuable, useful information that's really going to help you make money on the internet, but I'm not going to give you everything because more of it is saved for the higher level version of the course. So if you want everything, if you literally want all the information, then you want to join that higher paid version of the course. So anyways, we talked already about the profile funnel. All right. So we talked already about the profile funnel, about your image up here, and then obviously your intro right here, and then your featured image, and then the link that you're actually driving people to, where you want to actually funnel people to. But I didn't tell you about the hidden spot in your profile funnel, and most people don't. All right. So there's a hidden spot in your profile funnel, which is this image right here. Okay. So in your profile funnel, you can use this image as part of your profile funnel by just putting in your image like a button that says, click right here to get this or that. And then whenever a user clicks it, guess what? You can put your description right here. And I know this probably seems so simple now that you look at it and now that you think about it, but most people never even think about this spot right here where you have another place where you can put a call to action. You can put a little button right here, essentially. All right. So I'm just gonna, pseudo design one. You can put a little button right here, hey, click here to get this thing right here for free. And then whenever the user clicks this, guess what? They're on this image, they see this image, they click this because you told them to click this, and guess what pops up? This whole thing pops up right here. They can see another message from you. All right, so here, like literally, this is part of your funnel. This is where you can give a nice, curious headline, and this is your hook. What you want to go right here is more part of your hook right here to get them to what? To click on this actual link, and then click on this link and get to your actual funnel so that you can actually move them closer and closer and closer to making a buying decision so you can get fucking paid and make money on Facebook. So I know that was short and sweet, and you guys probably have seen some content in here and it's like, wow, that was so quick and easy, but very useful information that you just didn't know that if you actually leverage this information, trust me, if you do it right, if you do everything now just putting a link in here doesn't get you rich. You still have to get traffic and be out on the internet providing value, getting people to get inside your profile funnel and then funnel off to click your links and funnel off to your actual funnels where you're then going to move them closer to the buying decision and capture their motherfucking money in exchange for the value that you provide. All right. So that's it on this one. I just wanted to show you the secret spot of the profile funnel that we left out intentionally. Thank you so much. That I actually left out intentionally as part of the paid training. So that's it for this one.